What is the mean of sign of derivative? Sign of derivative, if f dash c is greater than to 0, we have to know that there exists a point, either it is greater than to 0, either it is less than to 0, then and at the point c, so there exists a neighborhood between c, so c minus delta and c plus delta. If it is greater than to 0, then there exists x is in positive c, that means then c to c plus delta, x is in between c to c plus delta, then fx is greater than to fc. If f dash c is less than to 0, then x lies in between c minus delta comma c, okay, because it is less than to 0, then it x is in between c minus delta to c. This implies that fx is greater than to fc. Both fx is greater than to fc, it is true, but for which interval there exists this, we have to know this only, okay. This makes the difference of sign. Now what is the use of that? If the function is differentiable in closed interval and f dash a is not equals to f dash b, that means that the function's value at the closed interval endpoint, first endpoint and second endpoint, both have differed value, and f dash, then this implies that f dash x, which is x is in between closed intervals point, then f dash x takes all the values at least 1 in the open interval of f dash a and f dash b, right? We have to prove this. Now how to prove that f dash a is, firstly we know that this is a deferred functions values, so we have take that, firstly assume that f dash a is less than to f dash b, so there exists k type k, which is type f dash c type, right? So let us take capital Fx is equals to fx minus kx, right? Taking this f dash x, capital F dash x is equals to f dash x minus k, and putting the value of this f dash a minus k, which is less than to 0, as f dash a is less than to k, we know that, and f dash b is greater than to k by the sign derivative function. So f dash a is less than to 0, f dash b is less than to 0, f dash b is greater than to 0 by the Dorbox theorem, sign derivative Dorbox theorem. There exists c is in open interval such that f dash capital F dash c is equals to 0, and this implies that small f dash c minus k is equals to 0, and this gives the derivative of the functions is a constant.